at the King's Court Apartments in Waukegan. We've got a very disheveled looking modernized over. Also, I want to point this out quickly. I like how the bulletin board is a mix of outdated COVID signs and people who aren't allowed in the building. Oh my god. Oh, and this one has a typo on it. Very funny. Anyway. This thing looks questionable. What is going on there? Up to 3. Oh. It runs mediocre, kind of shitty, but not horrible. Is that? I don't know what that is. I thought that was the switch for the fan. That door could use a paint job.